हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम टू जैकलिट एजुकेशनल चैनल। मैं हूं जकी अहमद और इस सीरीज में हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं द एक्सपेक्टेड एमसीक्यूज फ्रॉम ऑल द यूनिट्स ऑफ नेट एनवायरमेंटल साइंस। सो दोज हु आर न्यू, मेक श्योर यू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन टू गेट ऑल अपडेट्स। सो ये सीरीज आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही यूजफुल रहेगा। सो लेट्स बिगिन द लेसन। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, in 1935 the term ecosystem was first given by which of the following scientist? So the correct answer will be option number D. जी हाँ, आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है। सो आंसर होगा ए जी टेंसले who coined the term ecosystem. But if you're confused with Ernest Haeckel, we should know that Ernest Haeckel coined the term ecology, not ecosystem. So let's move to the second question. The second question is, which of the following structures links both biotic and abiotic components of the ecosystem? The correct answer will be biochemical cycle. Yes, the cycle of carbon or nitrogen, phosphorus, any you can take. So this biogeochemical cycle links the life, that is living part, as well as the non-living components of the ecosystem. So option A will be the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, the micro consumers are also popularly known as what? So the correct answer will be option number C, decomposers. जी हाँ, decomposers को हम micro consumers के नाम से भी जानते हैं. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, which of the following is not a physiographic factor? So here the correct option will be option number C, that is the wind blowing. Yes, physiographic factor एक जगह का mountain range को भी कह सकते हैं. Elevation and slopes also come under that, or the irregular earth surface also comes. So the wind blowing is not a physiographic factor, so option C will be the correct option. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, there is an increase in the vapor contents of the atmosphere when, and the options are on your screen. So यहाँ पे जो correct answer होगा वो क्या होगा कि जब टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होता है, सो वेयर द टेम्परेचर इंक्रीजेज बट द प्रेशर डिक्रीजेज, दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो प्रेशर डिक्रीज होने से और टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होने पर वेपर कंटेंट जो है इंक्रीज हो जाता है एटमॉस्फेयर का. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वेरी सिंपल. यू शुड ऑल नो दैट व्हेन दिस वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड. So this was celebrated recently. And the correct option will be option number C, the 5th June. Yes, 5th June is celebrated as World Environment Day. Moving on to the next question. So ये जो question है इसमें पूछा गया है कि identify the correct sequence. And the sequence are about producer, decomposer and consumer. So the correct option will be option number B. जी हाँ, first will be producer, which are then eaten by the consumer, then the consumer are eaten by the decomposers. Let's move to the next question. Next question is, the Paryavaran Vahini scheme was launched in the year, and the options are on your screen. So the scheme was launched to create awareness related to environment, and this was launched in the year 1992. So option A is the correct answer. चलते हैं हमारे अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ. अगला क्वेश्चन है, in nature the carbon cycle is contributed by which of the following process? So here आप देख सकते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो है रेस्पिरेशन में भी यूज होता है, so we are exhaling. फोटोसिंथेसिस में भी यूज होता है because the plants are gaining the carbon dioxide and using sunlight to prepare their food. एंड ऑल्सो हम जब फॉसिल फ्यूल बर्न करते हैं तब कार्बन रिलीज होता है. तो इन ऑल दिस थ्री केसेस द कार्बन साइकिल इज कंट्रीब्यूटेड और इन्वॉल्व. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर डी, ऑल ऑफ दिस. Moving on to the next question. Next question is from the nitrogen cycle. So the question is, the oxidation of ammonia into nitrate by the chemosynthetic bacteria is known as what? And here the correct option will be option number A, that is nitrification is the process in which ammonia is oxidized into nitrate by the chemosynthetic bacteria. That's it for this part of this series. Stay tuned for further updates. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.